Hey guys, I am here at my parents' house, and I just wanted to do a quick dumpster diving room tour for you. A little disclaimer, they've only been in this house for a little less than a year, so this has kind of been their, storage, I'll get to it later room. And obviously I'm going to keep looking to try to find them a new comforter because this does not match the decor I have found for them. But I just want to show you all the stuff I have found and what I'm kind of working towards to decorate this room. So firstly, this nice bed, if you recall, I found that's the biggest piece. It's kind of the starting point for the room. And then I had these two pillows, as well as this little starfish picture on the wall right there. So that's that section. And then there's a lantern and this little vase. And she put some nautical things in there to match, as well as this placemat here. And then over here, this little fish candle holder I found as well. There's two more of the placemats. This is the really nice cabinet that I found not too long ago. It fits well in the room. And then the mirror picture frame that I found, the Kate Spade one that I found just a bit ago. So that's the starting point here in this room. I also have that silver lamp I found a bit ago. It's going to go right here. I just haven't brought it over yet. And then it just needs to get spruced up a bit, again, with the bed. Maybe some more stuff on the walls. Curtain, who knows. But I'm going to keep looking. And this is just a quick little update vid on how this room is coming together with the things that I have found. I do have a haul video forming for you. I've only been finding small things throughout the week. So I'll get that going when I'm able. Probably Monday. I am headed out of town from Tuesday till Sunday. So I'm not sure if I'll have any content then. But I will try my best. Maybe I'll find some stuff out of town. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.